T-Mobile provides multiple ways to block unwanted 411 directory assistance calls through your account. First, log into your T-Mobile account via the app or at my.tmobile.com. Navigate to Account, then Call and Text Blocking. Here, you can manually add specific numbers to your block list for recurring unwanted calls. You can also enable network-level blocking to filter incoming calls based on patterns and user reports. Consider using Do Not Disturb modes to silence calls from unknown numbers while allowing your contacts. Access these features through the T-Mobile app for easy management. These account features offer a foundational level of call management to reduce interruptions from unwanted directory assistance calls. The T-Mobile app offers advanced features for blocking 411 calls. Open the app and go to Security and Privacy, then select Scam Shield. Enable Scam ID to automatically identify and block calls from known spam numbers, including those spoofing 411 services. For premium protection, consider Scam Shield Premium for additional caller ID verification and family controls. These app controls allow for instantaneous blocking. By using the T-Mobile app, you're utilizing real-time scam detection, which analyzes call metadata to identify and block 411 spoofing. Remember to keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest features and protections available.